Congratulations, sir, for the successful completion of FC21.
Thank you.
So my first question to you is, what you got out of your participation in FC21 program?
It's mostly to do with accountability as far as we go. Majority of the things that we have been discussing in the program, we had in some format or the other operational within our systems. What was not applicable was the discipline ki everybody sits together and in a very disciplinary way conducts everything. A lot of things were verbal. So sir की classes के बाद and sir classes में जो अपने documents खोल के दिखाते कि देखो this is the policy, this is the policy. I really took it to heart कि मुझे भी अपनी policies बनानी है. So over this course, before conveying anything to my team, I would write it down, make it like a script, like a document, and only then conduct a discussion with the team. So that will help me to progressively build my, proper policies and procedures documentation.
Good to hear that, sir.
Thank you.
Right. So my next question to you is, what was the major challenge you were dealing before joining the FC21 program?
In our industry, or rather in our office, everything is very haphazard. अगर मैं आपको मतलब बहुत सारे check boxes है which make sense. So sales has to work well so that cash flows take place. Cash flows has to come well so that the engineering team can get the materials in time. And engineering teams, a lot of decision making, which can help them expedite the process and implement it. And real estate being capital intensive in a large enterprise, we usually have a lot more board of directors, a lot more people putting their heads simultaneously. So चीजें काफी बार north, south, east, west सारे directions चली जाती है. So through this course, making sure that the cash stays in the account as much as possible is what the focus has been. So we are trying really best कि हम छोटे-छोटे tranches में काम करें, not to slow the work, but simultaneously to protect the cash.
Well said, sir. Actually, quite descriptive, but yes. So my last question to you is, do you think more and more business owners should do this program, and why?
If you are coming from a business background which is already practicing it, it would seem very natural to you. If you are not, you're doing something with love and passion and interest कि मुझे restaurant चलाना है, मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, just surely out of the love of doing. So this number game needs to be learnt. So हम लोग तो मैं जब छोटा था तो राशन दुकान भी गया तो आके मम्मी या पापा हिसाब मांगते कि अच्छा 5 रुपए कहाँ गए, 2 रुपए कहाँ गए, 1 रुपए का क्या हुआ, चॉकलेट लाया तो कितने रुपए का लाया, पहले कब खाया था. So that checks and balances has already been in our blood, be it at home, be it in office, forever. ठीक है, 2 word आगे और पीछे. So it seemed very natural to us. Many people, let's say, I have Punjabi friends, I have other friends who have shifted from a service sector to a business sector. उनके लिए ये सब चीजें एक nuance की तरह आती है. So I think it will highly benefit them. It's not rocket science. It's very simple stuff. Simple 2 + 2 mathematics. But एक discipline चाहिए life में कि आप record करें हर चीज को. आप record करोगे तो automatically सारी चीजें in place आ जाएगी.
Right. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your valuable
My
feedback.
pleasure, ma'am.